Ready to transform your living space? Dive into the world of prefab homes with our latest YouTube video. From sleek modern designs to cozy rustic charm, we've got the top prefab home ideas to inspire. Join us as we explore the latest trends and innovative designs that redefine the way we live. Don't miss out. Click play and start envisioning your perfect prefab paradise. Certainly, prefab homes or prefabricated homes come in various designs. Some popular ideas include 1. Modern minimalism, clean lines and simple geometric shape, large windows for natural light, use of materials like steel and glass. 2. Rustic chart, warm wood finishes for a cozy feel, a mix of textures with stone or brick elements, gable roofs for a classic touch. 3. A sustainable living, green roofs and energy-efficient features, use of recycled or eco-friendly materials, incorporation of solar panels for energy generation. 4. Container home, utilizing repurposed shipping containers, industrial aesthetic with exposed metal, customization options for a unique look. 5. Open concept, spacious interiors with minimal walls, multifunctional furniture for flexibility, emphasis on creating a sense of openness. 6. Scandinavian style straw, light-colored interiors for a bright atmosphere, natural materials like wood and stone, simple, functional furniture design. 7. Smart home, integration of smart home technology, automated systems for lighting, temperature, and security. Emphasis on energy efficiency. 8. A-frame designs, classic A-frame shape for a distinctive look, maximizing vertical space with loft bedrooms, ideal for areas with heavy snowfall. 9. Mid-century modern, retro-inspired designs from the 1950s and 1960s, use of iconic furniture pieces and bold colors, large windows connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. 10. Traditional style, classic architectural elements like columns and pitched roofs, timeless design with a focus on symmetry, customization for a personalized touch. When exploring prefab home designs, consider your lifestyle, preferences, and the environment in which the home will be located. Each style offers unique features and aesthetics to suit different tastes. Welcome to our channel, Home Decor Secrets. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.